What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's do something I haven't done in about a month. 30 days, maybe 31, maybe a little bit longer actually, because it is the third of the month. But we're going to go through a portfolio update. And I know a lot of people are very excited to do their own portfolio updates and kind of build everything together. And they're seeing how things have flourished over this last month because things have looked great, especially if you were talking about a lot of the plays that we talk about on this channel. Things have been running. Overall, in the crypto market, things have been running, but let's understand where we are and where we came from and what the goal was with this portfolio and all my portfolio size. Now, I'm going to go through 4 different platforms. I do have more platforms than that, so I'm going to show you the balances, but I'm not going to go through all of them in total and show them on the screen because it's easier for me to not have to share my phone, but to share just the computer. And crypto.com, I only have the app. I don't have the exchange. I can't log into that. So with that being said, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to sign up for Margex, feel free to use my link down below where you can sign up for that platform and trade up to 100x leverage. On some things like XRP, maybe 50x leverage, on meme coins, and maybe 25x leverage. But the point is that you're able to gather a lot more leverage trading, utilize somebody else's money to make yourself more money in the end. That's how the wealthy people do it. And you want to become one of those as well. But just make sure you have a sound strategy in order to do that. Don't go in thinking that you're just going to throw it here like it's a gamble and then let it ride. You have to understand where we are and where it will be based on any analysis that you do and something that really fits your strategy. So make sure you build something there that will gain you the money that you deserve to make. Anyways, let's talk about my portfolio. I'm going to go into all of these portfolios that I have up on the screen, and hopefully we'll be able to see exactly what I have gained here, and also go through maybe my predictions for what I'm looking for out of this. Now, if we wanted to start with what the goal was from the beginning, it was to turn whatever my portfolio was to basically 100x that. So I had a starting point of about $50,000. So honestly, it was to turn $50,000 into $5 million. That was basically what it is. Turn $50,000 into $5 million, which sounds like a tall ask, a tall order when you talk about like traditional investing, you talk about the stock market. You're going to gain like 10% per year. There's some cases where you'll find some really some banger stocks, and you'll be able to get a 10x or get a 100% gain off of that specific play. It doesn't mean every play was just that specific play. And maybe instead of growing it by 10%, you grow it by 15 or 20%. Well, in the crypto market, it's a lot easier to grow it because it is in the beginning stages. And we're still seeing the crypto market get heavily adopted. Just now getting an ETF and being adopted by traditionalists, it's at a new phase in its life cycle, right? So cryptocurrency is in a big place right now. And I think we need to go into my portfolio, understand if that is feasible, which I do believe it's feasible, just to kind of spoil everything. I do believe that 50,000 to 5 million is feasible, but I'm looking at taking profit throughout. I don't necessarily need 5 million, right? I would be comfortable with 2. I would be comfortable with 3, but I don't necessarily need 5 million. If I do get it, then that's great. But my schedule is set up for something maybe a little bit less. And I take profit throughout time just to be able to protect my investment as well as pay off different types of debt that I do have, which would be like my house and my cars and stuff like that. So anyways, and student loans, don't forget about those. Anyways, let's get into my portfolio before I waste all of your time. Currently, we're going to start with Coinbase. Coinbase is my biggest portfolio, and I needed to start there. Coinbase has $72,347.34. It keeps changing. It's $26,000 up on the year. I've been, bringing money over from Margex, so I will show you Margex as well, but I've been bringing some money over here, and I also had a significant gain. This portfolio is led by 2 positions. It's led by Jasmy and it's led by XRP. XRP, I have 32,000 XRP with a $1,000 gain, but Jasmy coin, I have 20,000, and I have 1 million Jasmy coin with $17,216 worth of a gain. Then you have Bitcoin that I do have $6,000 of, and I'm up 1,100. I'm up 800 or 900 on Krill. You can see I'm up 600 on Harvest Finance, 2,600 on Cardano, 600 on Avalanche. I'm a little bit down on Shiba Inu, 700 or 800 for Anchor, and then I have 200 down for Teller, and so on and so forth. You can see that I am up on some of these other positions, these lower positions. Ethereum, I'm up by $1,200 as well, but I only have a very, very small amount, like $7. All of these I would consider crypto dust. So a total of $70,000 that's there, and then 2,000 that is in cash that probably will be transferred over to my bank account. So we can go through all of this minus $2,000 basically, unless I gain an extra $2,000 over this time. But either way, if we look at the crypto that I hold, $70,348. But the total amount is $72,443 and some change. And it will stay static in what I put within my spreadsheet there. But that's one portfolio. The next one will be Margex. I do have $3,000 worth in here. Now I get commissions and referral links, and I also gather more through leverage trading. So as I make these leverage trades, like some of these are up 75%, 500%, 300, 400%, 400% over here. So honestly, leverage trading is the way to go, right? I'm able to make a ton through these leverage trades that you can see. Hopefully you can see right above my head. I'm up 200% there, 75, 500 or 600%. 162%, 179%. So you see the levels of percentages that you can gain within leverage trading as long as you are doing it the right way. And I'm able to gather more cryptocurrency by doing so. And most of it has been XRP. As you saw from my previous video, I gained 12,000 extra XRP without spending a dime. That's how I did it, was with Margex. So anyways, I have $3,000 that's sitting over here in this account. That's the total balance that's available and in orders. And the next platform will be Kraken. Now, Kraken is my random 100 coin portfolio where I invested $500 and turned it into $1,844. I took 100 different positions, invested $5 into each. Give or take a few dollars here and there, because some of them I had to invest a little bit more to meet the minimum. But let's say it was $517, I believe. It got all the way up to $1,844, and I'm up a massive amount. We look at the last 3 months, I'm up, it says 927%. I feel like that's, or $927, 101% over the last 3 months. I've had this for about maybe 4 months or so. So I don't want to go the 6-month route because I've had Kraken for a while and it shows a weird number, like if you go out that far. But I have been consistently adding, and it seems like TVK actually has risen a lot. I didn't even notice that. OMG Network has risen a lot. So I'll have to take a very, very closer look at all of these positions because they seem to have been moving. Like Celestia was my highest position, but TVK jumped. It must have doubled in price at this point. Anyways, this is my random coin portfolio that I have there. And then the next portfolio is one of my larger portfolios as well. It's my MetaMask, my ETH side, which is about $15,000, $16,000 or so. Grok is up to 12,340 or 94, and then you have Lucky's LP that's at $4,600, and then some that's thrown other places, right? Pepe I have $255. I have Elmo that's over here. I should have more that's gonna be taken out or unstaked, but you know, the ETH fees, the ETH gas fees are kind of ridiculously high at this point, and it said it was gonna be $5,000 to unstake. And I was like, okay, that sounds a little ridiculous. But either way, have $15,000, $16,000, or almost $17,000 that's over there. And I also have BTC ETF, which I don't know what the price of that actually is right now. But that's another big portfolio. Now, with that all aside, let's go into my overall portfolio and see, or all portfolios, and see how much I do hold. So again, 72,000 in MetaMask. I have 11,000 in Crypto.com. That's including 9,000 and some change in CRO that's on Crypto.com. And then I have MetaMask over here. Again, 19,000 total because I have the BSC side as well that has Beam, and it also has some BNB and stuff like that. So 19,000 total. I have 1,900 in Uphold, which consists of mainly Caspa. I have Coinbase wallet that consists of mainly Solana. Then I have Margex, you saw that. I have Kraken, you saw that. I have the DeFi wallet, which does have just CRO that's staked over there. And then I have my Terra Station wallet that has $9,000 worth. I hope I didn't miss any. I don't think I did. But my total portfolio size now, from going $60,000, or sorry, it was 55 to $60,000. That was my last portfolio size. It's now double in price, and it's at $126,000, $126,372.45. If I did want to make this a little bit bigger, this is what this looks like: $126,372.45 in my entire portfolio. And this is March 2024. So I really want to track this thing throughout this time. I wish I had previous history. For some reason, it's gone. I don't know where it is. I'll have to try and find it somewhere. It's probably on one of my other files somewhere, and I'll find it. But right now, it is $126,372.45. And it's ever changing, right? That's not going to be a static number as the crypto market continues to move. It's 24/7. You'll see that continue to change. But guys, that's my portfolio. I would like to know what your portfolio looks like. If you wanted to give me your total amount that you do have, whether you have it in one place or you have it in a bunch of different places, please let me know exactly how much you do have, because I'm excited to see the growth that that happens within the crypto market and within my community. So I want to be able to kind of pin different balances to different names and see what you guys are doing and how it's growing, how you're progressing, because that's the only thing that matters, is teaching people and having people also succeed and better their lives, better their situation. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll have to catch you guys in another video. See ya.